Hey guys, so there's going to be a giveaway at the end of this video, so please stay till the end to learn more about how you can win one of these guys as well. Hey guys, so today I'm going to be doing a review on the Silly George magnetic eyelashes. I've been using these guys for approximately a year now. I have the dailies, and that's the one I started off with, and then they came out with the drama ones, which are a lot longer, a lot thicker, so I had to get my hands on them. So they're just right here at the bottom. So I've tried a lot of different type of magnetic lashes, and none of them have really worked for me, but these guys, they work really well for me, and that's why I've been using them for like a whole year now. Yeah, they're just really good. They have 3 magnets, and I think that's what makes them stand out compared to other brands. Usually, other magnetic lashes I've tried, they have like 2 magnets, and then it doesn't really hold well on the lashes, and they always like slip off. So when you're looking down, people can see that the lashes are kind of hanging off on the corners or the middle, and it's just not very pretty. But this one, people can't really tell because it's very close to your eye. So these guys, they kind of like hug the curve of your eyelids, and they don't really hang off, so it's really pretty. Yeah, I really like them. So maybe I should like get up closer so you guys can see the difference between the dramas and the original. And recently I heard that they have something called the dailies, and the dailies are a lot shorter compared to the original, so they're really good for people who wear glasses, I'm guessing, or people who want something more natural. But for me, I like to be very like extra sometimes, so I really like the drama the most. But on days where I'm like, okay, maybe I don't want to be too extra, I'll use the originals. So these long thick ones are the dramas, and these are the originals. I've never tried the dailies before, but the dailies are just a bit shorter than the originals. So using the Silly George magnetic lashes, I've learned a couple of tips and tricks here and there. So I'm just gonna let you guys know my tips and how I got it to work for me really well. Yeah. Alright, so I think today I'm gonna be wearing the drama set just because my top right now is very, glittery, very shiny. So I want my eyes to pop out and kind of, match my top. So basically, you're gonna see that the lashes, on one side it's gonna be short, on the other it's gonna be long for one pair, and then the other side it's gonna be like the mirrored copy. So actually, I'm gonna show you guys up close again so you guys can see the difference. So for this top one up here, you can see that it's short on the left and then long on the right. So this one's gonna be for the right eye because you want the long lashes to kind of flare outwards. And then this bottom lash over here, it's short on the right side and long on the other side. So it's gonna be for the left eye because you want the long lashes to flare outwards and not inwards towards your nose. So it's really easy to tell which lashes is for which eyes. Okay, so basically the lashes, they come with 2 pieces. So there's a top piece and a bottom piece, and you kind of sandwich your lashes in between. A lot of people, they can just use those 2 strips and easily put it on their eyes, but I can't do that. So I find it easiest to actually cut the bottom pieces into 3 parts. So if you look, this is for my left eye. So it's gonna go like this. And basically I cut it into 3 parts. So I'm just gonna go up to the camera and show you guys how I did that. So this is the top piece right here. And then the bottom piece, I just cut them into 3 pieces. So this is the first side, and then the middle's right here, and then the other side piece is right here. So you guys can kind of see where I made my cuts. I just cut them between the magnets. So yeah, I made the cut for the other side as well so that they're even. And now I'm just gonna show you guys how I wear them. So what really helped for me to keep the lashes intact, because I don't use mascara, I don't see the point of using mascara if I'm already using these guys. I think the reason I bought these guys in the first place is so I wouldn't have to use mascara. I just don't like mascara. I think it takes too long to clean at the end of the day. Sometimes it irritates my eyes, especially if the little particles, like the little flakes, falls in my eyes. I just really hate it. So yeah, I use these. I do know some people, they do use mascara along with these so that it would stick on better. Mine sticks pretty well. I don't need it. But if you guys want that extra like oomph, then go ahead and put mascara on as well. But what really helped me to keep these guys on without slipping, because normally my lashes are really straight and they're really short, so it's easy for like magnetic lashes to slip off, right? So what I do is I actually curl my lashes. I curl them really, really well, especially near the base of my eyes. I'll like curl the heck out of them, so that way when I put my lashes on, they can't really slide off because my real lashes are curved like this. So then there's no way they can slip off. So yeah, I'm just gonna curl my lashes right now so you guys can see. And I have gappy bangs, so I'll fix that. Okay, let's see. So what I like to do is I go really, really close to the base of my eye, and then I'll go 1, 2, 3, crimping it, and then I'll do the same near the middle of my eyelashes. 1, 2, 3, and then one at the very, very, very edge. And then if I need, I'll do like 4 or 5. It just depends how curled it is. But usually 3 is a good number. And then I'll do the same for this side. 1, 2, 3, and then the middle. And then the edges. Wait. There. Maybe touch this one up quickly. Alright, so my lashes looks pretty curled. So once it's really, really curled, I like to grab tweezers. They just really, really help me. I think I'm gonna do a zoom out for this because it's gonna be easier for you guys to see. Alright, so I normally separate the pieces and put them in the case, and then I'll hold the big top one, and then this is the side piece. So I grab that small piece and I'll hold it to the very edge of my lash underneath, just like that. That's as far as it goes, and then I'll kind of squint my eyes a little so it pushes my real lash against this, so it's very, very close, and then I'll put that top piece. And then it should attach right away. So it's gonna be like that. And I try not to blink if I can. I mean, if I have to, then I have to. And then I'll grab that middle piece. So this is the middle piece right here. And so I'll hold the corner like that. So I like to use my middle finger and kind of push against the top of my lashes. So now it's very, very close. So you guys can see it hugging against the curve of my eyelashes really, really nicely. So I'll just do that again so you guys can see. And then I'll just attach the middle piece. Now I'll just do the ends. I use my ring finger because it's easier for me. And then I just attach it just like that. And you guys can see that it looks pretty natural. So now for my left eye, again, we're just gonna separate it, put it into the case so we don't lose any bits. This one, I do the same thing, not the mirrored version. I basically just use the corner closest to my nose for my left eye, just out of preference. I find it easier when I do it like this for my left eye, just because I'm right-handed. So for the right eye, we started from the outside in. And then for the left eye, I'm starting from the inside out. So you're just gonna hold that small piece on the side and push it as close as you can near the base of your eye without poking your eye, and as close to the corner as possible. And then I'm gonna squint again so that it pushes against each other. And then just attach that top piece, just like that. So now for the middle piece, so I'm just gonna use my hand, push it against the side, and then attach it like that. And then I blinked earlier, so the weight of it just kind of fell off. So I'm just gonna quickly redo the side. It's okay if the middle is in this time, but basically I just use my ring finger. I'll push it upwards so that you can see how close that is, and then just attach it like that. And then We're just gonna do this side. So ring finger again, push it against the eyelash, and just like that. And sometimes you might have to tweak it because you're blinking. You only have to tweak it if like one side is holding the lashes and the other two sides are not attached. Because of the weight, it'll shift a little, so you just gotta fix it. But once all three is in, it should not shift after that because the weight is pretty balanced. So yeah, once it's in, I'll push on the corner a little so it kind of curves the way my eye curves. So this is what they kind of look like. Alright, so that's how I put my eyelashes on. I hope that helped you guys. And I talked to Silly George, and they're actually going to give you guys a 15% discount. If you guys use my promo code, it's going to be LunaMac15. So definitely use it. It's really worth it because if you guys get 15% off, I think the total of these eyelashes are $30 Canadian. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that would be the calculations. And these have lasted me practically a year. I did have to rebuy the drama ones because when I went on my trip, I was putting them on at the airplane, or like at the airport, sorry, and I left my case open and I dropped them, and then they fell out, so then I had to rebuy another one. I mean, I think I dropped it really hard too because these are like, this is a magnetic case, so like right now it's not falling off. I don't know how I managed to lose a whole lash, but yeah, just be very careful with them. If you're aware with your surroundings, you shouldn't drop them, and then you'll find them. I think what made it hard to find them also was the flooring of the airport. It was black, so yeah, they disappeared. I really like these magnetic lashes because I'm also trying to get more into zero waste. Unlike false eyelashes, the one with the glues, you know those, you can only use them like a couple times and then you have to throw them in the garbage. But these, like, if you take really good care of them, they'll last you a long time. I mean, I'm still using mine. And these don't really irritate my eyes. They feel really natural. Sometimes I don't even notice them at all. Unlike glue, it makes my eyes really itchy. It's very uncomfortable. So the reason why I like these magnetic lashes is because I have like these bags on my device. So what I like to do is I'll put the empty case right in my bag with my device, and then at the end of the day, at the end of the night, when I'm ready to remove my makeup, I just grab this in the car while Nixon's driving home, and I'll just like take them off and put them right into the case, and then I'll put them here. When I get home, I'll wash my face, and then that's it. And yeah, they're just really easy. I really like them. So because I love Silly George so much, that's why I messaged them to see if I can work with them, because I only like to promote brands that I know of, especially brands that I love. I would not work with a brand that I didn't really care about or the product was iffy. So when I talked to them, they gave me the promo code, so LunaMac15, as you guys know, and they said they were going to send me a free lash, and I just had to tell them if I wanted the dailies, the drama, or the original. But I realized I have the drama and the original, and I'm happy with them. I don't really think I'm going to use the dailies. I like to be really extra. And so I decided this would be a great time to give a free lash to someone else who doesn't own one already. So I talked to them, and yeah, so basically I'm gonna do a giveaway. So to enter this giveaway, it's really easy. If you're watching through my YouTube, just make sure you subscribe and then comment below if you want the dailies, the original, or the drama, and then I'll pick a winner from there. And if you want a bonus entry, you just have to go to my Instagram. It's LunaMac. And then just follow me and then look for my giveaway post. It's gonna be posted. I'll try to put the link of my giveaway post for my Instagram below in the description box. Make sure you click on it, and then you just have to follow the instructions there. So you just gotta tag a friend. So basically I'm just gonna enter all the entries, so the ones from my YouTube, the one from my Instagram page, and then I'm gonna draw a winner from there. And I decided to do another bonus entry, so if you guys share my post on your story on Instagram, and make sure you tag me so I know you actually like shared it, I'm gonna add you into the list as well. So basically you can enter up to 3 times, one with my YouTube, one with my Instagram post, and then your Instagram story. And I'm gonna put all the entries together, and I'm gonna choose one winner from there, and then just let me know if you want the dailies, the original, or the drama. And then yeah, I'll forward that to the Silly George company, and they're gonna send you a free lash. So hopefully you guys enter this giveaway. I mean, there's no catch, it's basically free, and they'll last you like a really long time. I know you guys will really like it. I really like it. And yeah, I think that's it. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to enter the giveaway below and on my Instagram page too if you want bonus entries. And yeah, that's it for today. See you guys next time. Wait, don't. Did you stop it? Oh.